Electrical panels are an important feature in almost all kinds of modern spaces, be it residential premises or large workspaces such as offices, factories, hospitals, malls, hotels. Electrical panels constitute an important part of the essential infrastructure. These panels are often also the areas that are most vulnerable to catching fire due to short circuits or overloading. Many times, the culprits behind large fatal fires in modern buildings are these electrical panels where fires typically originate. On the other hand, there are certain specialized enclosed spaces like wind turbines, mobile towers, switching centers, CNC machines, and other enclosed machinery which also face a high risk of fire, causing a serious threat to their respective environments. An effective approach to fireproof large premises is to safeguard these small vulnerable areas first. Addressing this unique need, at Ceasefire we've developed a revolutionary fire suppression technology called the Ceasefire Quick Response System, CQRS, an automatic system designed to protect any enclosed space against fire, 24/7. What makes the CQRS system truly outstanding is its highly advanced detection technology that is based on pneumatic, heat-sensing tube-based detection. One end of this pressurized tube is connected to an extinguishing agent container via a specialized pneumatic valve, and the rest is snaked inside the cabinet that needs protection, covering all the vulnerable points inside. A dedicated pressure gauge indicates the pressure in the heat-sensing tube, and a pressure gauge in the agent container indicates the pressure inside the agent container. The minute the pneumatic heat-sensing tube detects fire, it bursts open as soon as the temperature reaches between 150 to 180 degrees Celsius to form a miniature nozzle. The tube is pressurized and connected to a specialized valve. As soon as the fire is detected and the tube gets burst, it drops the pressure in the tube and trigger opens the valve to release the extinguishing agent. The CQRS systems come in two prime variants, one being the direct, the other being the indirect system. Direct systems are generally meant for spaces that are compartmentalized, whereas the indirect systems are designed for non-compartmentalized cabinets. In case of the direct system, the pneumatic heat-sensing tube works both as a detection sensor and also acts as the discharge line for the extinguishing agent, whereas in the indirect system, the pneumatic heat-sensing tube acts as the detection element, and once the fire is detected, the extinguishing agent is discharged from a separate discharge line. Taking the intelligence quotient of the system to a whole new level is the state-of-the-art response panel of the system. The response panel, being capable of monitoring up to 4-cylinder systems, gives a ready health check of the system to the user. Fitted with large LED screen, one can monitor key aspects of the system such as pressure status of the heat-sensing tube, open-close status of the indirect valve, battery status, and power supply status to the system. Giving alarm through the attached siren strobe in a fire event, the response panel also enables users to connect the system to other third-party devices in the premises. Both the direct and indirect CQRS systems come in high-pressure and low-pressure variants with a range of extinguishing agent options to choose from, such as fluoroketone, FK, HFC 227EA, CO2,
HFC 236FA.
ABC dry powder, and also FFF foam-based solution for enclosed spaces with Class B fire risk. The system in its direct low-pressure variant in HFC 227EA and fluoroketone agent is an LPCB certified system that is certified under the LPS 1666 standard for both natural and forced airflow cabinets. Being a self-actuating automatic system, the CQRS brings in 24/7 protection for any kind of enclosed space that needs to be fireproofed in the premises. The Ceasefire Quick Response System protects what is most crucial.